Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Mains economic question. Let's begin the session. This question was asked in 2014. It is a 150 words, 10 mark question. It is about pink revolution. India needs to strengthen the measures to promote the pink revolution in food industries for better nutrition and health. Critically elucidate the statement. First of all, it is speaking about pink revolution, which is related to meat and poultry. Okay, and then it is speaking about the food industries for better nutrition and health. So, nutritional security. Based on the picture, you will come to know that first of all, India is here you say. So India also ranks first in the world's buffalo population and second in the goat population. And India is currently ranked third in the fish production. But see, so when it comes to buffalo, India is first. Goat, India is second. Fish, India is third. This is the one side of the picture. This is another side of the picture is high. Another side of the picture shows that the issue of the nutrition. See there, anemia is the major concern. 53% of the India's women aged between 15 to 49 are affected by anemia. Around 53% of India's women affected by anemia. And also major population of India. According to the Global Nutrition Report, 34.7% of the India's children under 5 are stunted, which means they are not up to the height according to their age. Okay, indicating chronic undernutrition and a rate higher than the Asia's regional average of 21%. So, stunting, wasting, anemia. This is also higher in India. So, one side you are seeing that there is a possibility for the nutritional supply. Another side, even though there is a possibility for the nutritional supply, something is stopping it to reach for the nutrition. And also, even though India's population is culturally of Hindu dominated, still there is a consumption of this meat like goat or buffalo or fishes is not that much low. They are also ready to consume it, but still the nutritional security is very low. So here is the issue. Then we need to focus on the thing called as pink revolution, which is nothing but about the production of the food processing industries from the buffalo, goat, fish. So the reason here is there is a gap. The gap need to be filled by this pink revolution. So this question is asking about that only. So you have to say about what is pink revolution in the intro itself. Afterwards, you have to give at least some data about the ranking of the Indias in the buffalo, goat or fish. This should be, you have to know, try to just mug up it. If there is any question is asking about that thing, means try to use it. These are the data and you have to give it in your answer. Now you have to speak about strengthen the measure to promote the food industries for better nutrition and health. So next you have to justify how this pink revolution is going to give the nutritional security is by it is providing more nutrient per serve. In 100 gram of fish or else in 100 gram of buffalo meat, everywhere or else in the goat, there is the serving of the protein is very high. So that is one of the major thing. Next, micronutrients like phosphorus, potassium and selenium is also higher. And the last thing is it is providing the economic benefit for the rural India. It will helps the farmer to make the integrated farming. Integrated farming is nothing but they will have the land. In that land itself they will do the fishing activities, aquacultures. In nearby the land they will allocate for the poultry, and also they will have the separate region for a cattle like cow. They will use that cow dung in the field, and also they will use this aquacultured water in that field. That will increases the production of that land. So these are the certain integrated farming method, so that will benefit the farmer also. So pink revolution is not only about the nutritional security, it is also going to provide the rural income. It will going to increases the rural income, farmers income. So that is the way also it is more beneficial for India. So it is a win-win situation. Next, what the government need to do is they will increase the quality of the breeding. So the growth of the indigenous breed, that is more important. As per the data, India contains only 8.1% of the India's indigenous cow population, indigenous cattle population. Only 8.1%. This is a major negative thing. India need to focus on that. So quality breeding, they have to enhance it. Next, improve the cold storage facilities for the meat. And also India need to more focus on the assured testing labs to provide the quality food to the people. So these are the certain things India need to focus on it. If the India is going to focus on it, means definitely the pink revolution will make a huge change in the market. And also it will benefit for the every sections of the population. People from the rural India also going to benefit from it, and also urban area is also going to benefit by consuming the quality products, and also they will get the nutritional support. So nutritional security is also going to increase, and the food security also going to increase. So that is the win-win situation by the pink revolution. Okay, thank you.